Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader known as Fijian Traders. This is Mr. Singh. NEO ticker symbol NIO NEO. Folks, usually I don't do the video during the market. I always do it the market is closed. Why are we seeing a roller coaster ride on the market right now? I wanted to share with you guys quickly also on the technical side. So I'm going to talk on the technical, then I go back on a little bit on the news about first speaking up, Mr. Jerry Powell. So market opened up. So pre-market, we looked pretty good. We gapped up, right? We gapped up pre-market very, very well. All the way the highs of $8.86 was my um, $86, $5.86 was my resistance, but sure or not, it went a little bit higher than that, $5.88. So it was very, very close on that. But even the market opened up, we opened up during the time, and we kind of pulled back after that. Also, because Nasdaq also pulled up a beautiful gap up and went all the way to 16,247, and then we had this pullback when you can see NEO's also pulled back, but now it's recovering it. We got to see that if Nasdaq kind of break out about this level, which is my 200-day moving average. But let's shifting the gear to the NEO, right? NEO, right? We gapped up in the pre-market, but we sell through right now, and we've been selling it throughout the day right now, and we have about 3 hours left for the market to close, and we did kind of making some headways right now. But the blue line, which is my 60-day right here, is sitting at $5.53, and you can see we are struggling to break it, getting rejected. Then you have a WAP sitting at 560 and 664. So definitely looking to close above that, which I can clearly see that's sitting above the $5.53, which is my next support level, folks. Yes, that is my next support level. And on the 5-day, you can clearly see that this is what's been happening on Thursday, this is what happened on Friday, and this is what's happening on Monday right now, where we're taking between those on the side. And why we are doing it, right? Why NEO is struggling so bad right now, even though we had this confirmation for the breakout, but the breakout was just short-lived. Went to $6.34, and then we pull back, and now are we coming back again to this level? Well, we got one thing we got to be very careful on this, because we still had this breakout right here, which is showing a downtrend. Yes, it is back again, but it is, I think, also a short-lived downtrend. Why I am saying it is because of this. We've been trading it all the way. And if I go back from beginning of January, we've been trading it from around at $5.86. Then we went low of $4.34, but we've been trading it a little bit on the sideways, where it is finding that base level, right? It is finding the base level. We knew NEO's struggle is, right? They need to be profitable. They need to cut their operating costs. The EV market competition is massive right now, with all these competitors having a price cut. But also the good news that we came in, which I shared on my previous video, is also the CLT, the battery operated partnership, new age EV battery partnership. Also was news that covered. If you have not, go check out my previous video on that. Also, which I already covered, but the news got released after 2 hours ago. Mr. Lee Williams' second gen phone is underway store. So they are very competitive. Mr. Lee Williams is not just about EV cars, he's about more technology. He's a technology driven person, and he has been pushing for NEO to be more profitable. But we know we have a backup of Chinese government. We know we have Abu Dhabi investment. It is just a matter of time. So what are we looking for this week, right? What are we looking for this week? The key levels to break is $5.86, then $6.34. That are the two key levels to break. And then what's $5.53, it is my support level, and the next one, it is $5.35, and then all the way to $5 are my three support level. First is peaking on Friday, and that Wednesday it is a bit scary for us as investors. We should be shouldn't be scared, but should be very precaution when we're taking on that, because it can be a roller coaster on that. Also, Chinese government, also the news came out also what Chinese government is putting a lot of price reduction on the EV vehicles for as providing a support So it is a good news for EV sectors, and especially for Neo. We know Neo struggle is what is going through is not enough profitable, high operating costs, and also the competitors, right? And the competitors has resulted Neo to come all the way down. Because if you look at it on our 5-year chart, this is the 5-year chart that I'm talking about. Look at Neo. I have understand the Neo when I was sitting at $2 and went high of $66, and we have never see that back again, right? And right now we are coming to a settling ground, right? Last time we had this settling ground sitting right up here. That was back in around this time in 2023. We were sitting about 8, and then we went high of $15. Then we pulled back. So it is a roller coaster ride with Neo, but you can clearly see that on the moving averages that it is a downtrend yet. But there's a big but on that, right? And the reason is that because of Neo's not profitable. Simple as that. I'll keep it very simple, and that's what makes shorts do take advantage of it, and I don't blame them, because you should be a trader. If you're not a long-term investor, you should be always looking your options, and this shorts do take advantage. In my time frame, yes, I've been a short as well, but when it's time for that, I usually don't do shorts this is not my very cup of tea all the time. But I'm also an investment on the options, and also a long-term investor as well as a day trader. So moving forward, gotta keep an eye to go break these key levels coming up, right? $5.86. I want this thing to be break. Yes, I'm very want this thing to break, because right after that you have a moving average sitting in 200-day. You can clearly see that our 200-day moving average, it has been a massive support level. And then right here, can we expand my chart so you guys can see it properly? But look at RSI. RSI, it is still on the neutral. MACD, we still have the green hopes on that, but we've been trading it sideways so much right now, and this fake breakout that we had, I was not happy to see that. This is the fake breakout I'm talking about right here, and went high of that and got rejected, and now we have this crossover on the pink one, which I think is going to be a short-lived on that, because if we close today on Monday on the highs on support level, highs of $5.86, which can be possible, but I don't see anything happening today on that. Then we should be confident on that. But right now, you gotta hold these two support level very strongly, because the order flow right now today we're looking good because of what we capped up of the price, but we have been selling off a lot. We have been selling off a lot, and right now you can clearly see that we are making some ways. We are making some headways right now as we speak. You can see the blue line, which is my 60-day, just got broke off on that, and going to go test of high 560 and 583. Definitely, be a miracle to go up all the way to $5.86 today. But definitely love to see it sitting and breaking around at $5.63. So, folks, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Usually, like I said, don't do the videos on that. Next video is coming on Wednesday because a lot of Feds, it's going to be Jerry Powell is going to be talking about. And as investors, I do understand that if your portfolio is red, nobody wants to see that. My portfolio is red as well, and nothing that is from where I'm really far off from, which I'm going to share on Wednesday's video, so stay tuned. My plan is to add more shares tomorrow, and once I do it, I'll definitely going to share you guys on Wednesday on Neo's updated video coming up with some breaking and latest news, which is going to rock your world as well. So thank you for watching it, and I really hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay tuned, stay positive, my friends, Neo friends. Stay positive. Thank you.